one. Number two. Wow. Look at this place, it's glistening. What's up everybody, it's your boy Joe X Factor, and in today's video, I'm doing a lighting upgrade actually. That's what's in this big brown box here. I do have lights, but it's like this. Little spotlights that work with batteries, these little batteries right here. And they don't last very long. They're very bright, but they're actually like spotlights. They're not really for studio lighting to give like a good, proper effect that, you know, you would see. It's pretty bright. It's just not ideal for the job. My unboxing videos will be very brief. It's got an on and off switch right here, that's good. Basic stuff. Plug, 3-prong, that's good. I've never dealt with any kind of stuff like this. I haven't even done any research, nothing. Nor do I like to read instructions, so I hope I don't damage anything along the way. Either which way, you'll learn from my mistakes. I guess this is the actual light thing. It's got a lock here. Oh, it's got like some teeth mechanism in here, which is pretty cool. I'll raise it up a little bit so you can see. Guessing this just pushes back like this inside here. I'm thinking just push it back. It's got like a magnet or something, or oh, that's pretty cool. Weird, but cool. This thing's pretty big. I mean, it's big, and this is only one. But anyway, this is one piece. It's pretty nice, fits snug around the light itself on the inside. Let me zoom so you can see. But yeah, the bulb goes in here. This little case detaches to fold it down, and you just push it back. Not bad. All right, so this looks like one light. Let's just push this aside. This has got to be the other one, same thing. This is going to be more of a permanent studio setup for me, not something that I'll be looking to take on the road. Same thing. There we go. I'm getting the hang of it now. So I'm just going to open this out. There you go. Yes, this looks like a tripod. Take this out. See this part here? It's got a little lock part here. You just loose here, and you slide this up and down. Well, slide from here. I was thinking to slide at the bottom like the camera tripods. This is a little different. Okay, that's pretty cool. You just slide it down, slide it up. So used to trying to move it from the bottom instead of this joint right here. So you just pull it right here to fold it up, and you push it right down from the bottom here, or you just expand the legs and then push it right down from this, and that opens it up. Pretty simple, just takes a little while to get used to. Oh my gosh, look at these two bad boys over here. Look at this. Look at this. This thing's almost the size of my face. 2 foam cases, 2 lights. I'm gonna put these aside. This is 85 watts, 110 volts, 5500K. Case is pretty light actually. It's pretty light and very thin, which I like. Now here comes the hard part, is figuring out how to fit this up and set this up. That's gonna be a challenge for me today. I'm pretty handy. Let me put a bulb inside, shine it and see how it lights, and then decide where I'm gonna put it. I basically just want my whole studio lit, and I think I only need one of these. So it's your basic screw-in type bulb, nothing fancy. How about that? How about this maybe? I'm gonna set up one of these tripods just to see how this works. There we go. Yeah. Okay, at least it screws out pretty easy and fast. Voila. That's pretty much it. kind of dull. Let's brighten up the whole atmosphere a little bit. Check it out. It is a screen. Let's go higher. Oh, this thing can touch the roof. Wow. Wow. The coverage here is, now I'm fascinated. Now I feel like I can do my unboxing videos, guys. I'm gonna, hold on, see, I'm darker. Let me step into the light. Boom, let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited right now to do my unboxing videos. Imagine I could put lights on both sides. That would be ridiculous. I'm gonna put the screen on the other one just to see if it gives it a more polished effect. I really do like this screen now. Let there be light. Wow, now it's like evenly distributed on both sides. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. 24 inches wide, which is 2 feet. 2 feet by 2 feet. They're both 2 feet by 2 feet. And my studio is only coming across 6 feet 7, 6 feet 8, somewhere around there. Somewhere around there. 6 feet 7, 6 feet 8. That's it. And the lights are 2 by 2, so go figure how tight this corner is. So let's bust out the old smackaroo. My methods are very unorthodox, and when I want something, I'll find a way to work with whatever I have to get it done. One more to go. One more strap over here. That should do the trick. Holds. There we go. Made use of the hole. Now, might as well just tap out the bottom. Call it George. Guys, gotta get the job done somehow, right? Bada bing, bada boom. Solid as a rock. Number one. Number two. Wow. Look at this place. It's glistening. Now, I've got to move the car. It's on alternate side. If I don't move it, well then guess what? I'm gonna get a ticket. So I got my shoes on in the house, which my wife would be pissed if she finds out. I'm going to see if I get a drone shot because it's not quite fully dark yet. Maybe, just maybe, fingers crossed, I can squeeze in a shot. It's not fully dark yet.